With the goal of integrating gear shaping, turning, and milling processes in a single machine, DMG MORI has developed the technology cycle gear shaping for NTX turn mill machines. Gear shaping uses a pinion cutter to process gears in the same way as a gear shaper. Sharing tools with specialized machines enables rapid prototyping, particularly for internal gears. Program creation is simplified by following the on-screen guidance. Simply enter the specifications of the tool, the workpiece, and the cutting conditions to create a gear shaping program. Gear shaping with a specialized machining path achieves ISO Class 8 accuracy. Gear shaping also enables the processing of deep holes and stepped shapes that are impossible with hobbing or skiving. Realize gear shaping with easy guidance and rich functions. DMG MORI will continue to expand its gear machining lineup beyond hobbing and skiving to contribute to higher customer productivity.